Fok Mode says large shops in the city center close around 8 p.m. Smaller only sometimes a little earlier.
Oh, okay, so I got time. Should I bring this back, or is it okay to just throw this right here? My cousin says to leave it on the ground. Should I just leave it there? Like that, so somebody can pick it up?
Anti_scuff_bot says scene switch to disconnected. Anti_scuff_bot says scene switch to live. Nowhere girl or boy says yays. Fok Mode says yeah, someone poor will collect it. Fok Mode says very good.
Very, very good. I'm a German, guys. I'm German now. I'm basically German. Out of different countries that I considered living in, Germany was one of them.
Fok Mode says pro-German.
Pro-German. London was another one. Of course, Japan.
Nowhere girl or boy says, can you ride to the Icebox well? It's nearby.
Icebox well? What is that? What is it? One mile. Okay. Let's see.
Fok Mode says yeah, Icebox well is on the way back. It's where the surfers are.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, cool.
Head east, then turn right.
It's so crazy how fast this goes. Just with incredibly
200 meters,
little
turn
effort.
left onto Englisher Garden. Nowhere girl or boy says they had problems there. I don't know if it's closed, but it's always
Turn left onto Englisher Garden, then turn right.
Yeah, it's Fok Mode was saying that they're closed, but we can go there. Oh, whoa! If I went any faster, if I was just a little faster,
Says, yeah,
that could have been bad.
Still broken, but
Turn right, then turn left.
Turn right. Turn right, and then turn left.
Turn left, then slide right.
And then turn left. Whee!
Slide right, then slide left.
Slide right, then slide right, left. Slide right, and slide left.
Slide left.
Slide left. Ah, that's cool. That's cool. It's like telling me which exact path to take.
In 400 meters,
slide
turn
down,
left.
then slide up, then slide down.
Look for the guy in the pink underwear. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to go to the toilet and
Turn left, then turn left.
turn left. Then turn left. Turn left.
Turn left, then
Turn
turn left.
What the hell? Where are you telling me to go, bro? Was it like right here or something? No, not right here. I assume if I follow the river, I'll pretty much head that way.
In 100 meters, turn left. Turn left.
Turn left where? What the hell? Where's this chick? Where do you want me to turn left, fool? Turn left. Which one? Which one of these lefts should I go to?
In 600 meters, turn right onto
Nowhere girl or boy
Eisbachbrücke,
says near the Eisbach well,
Prinzregentenstraße.
there is a kiosk with toilet.
Kiosk with toilet. Cool. Cool. Yeah, that guy's riding a regular bike and he's going faster than me. He totally yelled. Okay, this is the only place that we haven't gone to in this park. What? That lady just called me a bitch? What'd she say to me? What that lady say to me? Okay, hold on. My GPS is, my phone's running out of battery, so I need to charge up. Oh, I hear something. I hear some loud waves. Sounds like it. Sounds like loud waves. Let's see, let's see. Oh shit, maybe it's starting again. Look.
Turn right onto Eisbachbrücke, Prinzregentenstraße, then turn right.
Oh shit, they're doing it, dude. Holy crap, yo, let's freaking go. Holy shit, that's awesome. They're doing it. They're doing it, they're doing it. Oh.
Nowhere girl or boy says
When did they start doing this again?
Sorry?
When did they start? It was closed for a little while, right?
It's still closed.
Oh, it's still closed. Oh, but okay. Cool. Yo, that's cool. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, let's go.
nowhere girl or boy says well not really close. Nowhere girl or boy Fog mode says officially closed, but Germans often like to ignore authorities.
Hold on, guys.
Nowhere girl or boy says ha ha ha. Thomas Young _ he says bless you bro. Nowhere girl or boy says
Thank you.
bless Young.
This grass. What is this grass stuff?
Thomas Young _ he says our baby flying.
Hold on, hold on. All right, I can pause. Cool. Yeah, nice. These guys could go to Hawaii. Hey, let's go. Shove it. Did like a shove it move. Yeah, nice. So the guy was saying, one of the guys was saying that it was still closed, but I don't know what he means by still closed, because I mean they're doing it. Yeah, good surf action, yeah. Pretty good too. That's pretty good. It's illegal anarchist surfing. The city will probably not enforce it, but they can't officially allow it for. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, of course not. Makes sense. It's like we can't say yes. Because, oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Debbie. Oh, nice. Always a ways to ride. Yeah. That's cool. You don't have to wait. That's the cool thing about it. You don't gotta wait. I mean, I'm sure there's a different art to it too when you have to wait. Because Eddie would go. I would do this. It does seem kind of like it's kind of cold. I wonder how shallow it is too. It's probably really shallow. Oh, this guy almost got his legs taken out from the surfboard. Woo, yeah. Does streamer surf too? I can surf. I'm not as good as these guys. Yeah. What was that? What was that noise? Oh, yeah. Possibly. Yeah, I could surf, but like, yeah, not like these guys. These guys are pretty good. The sound of the river sounds nice. Cosmic. Isn't that partially sewer water? No, I don't think so. It's Alps water, right? Bachmod? Yeah, it's crazy. Like, where does this water come from? And it is sewer water? Whoa! Yeah, I tried the Waikai, yeah. So this looks more fun. Yeah, this looks more fun, yeah. Just try to smell. There's no smell. Yeah, where does it go? Where does the water go? Yeah, nice. Yeah, this seems way more fun than Waikai. I did Waikai a couple times actually. You can officially swim in it further downstream. I kind of want to try it. Naked. Naked? You can swim it in naked? Oh yeah. Yeah, I kind of want to try it. Let me just grab this guy. Let me ask him for a turn. Let me borrow your board real quick. Poor surfers have to deal with everyone farming their content. Poor surfers got to go to the beach. Yeah, this is super cool actually. Oh yeah, oh damn. No, they like to show it? What do you mean? What do you mean they like to show it? Their nakedness? Alright. Well, I guess we'll get out of here. That's cool. What's this guy do?